Now let's see what the EURUSD has done this week since the Monday. So let's take a look what has happened in the previous week and where the week has ended. The week has ended at this candle, which was a bullish one that has returned back inside this price range between these two price levels. And I have mentioned that the price has reached this small downtrend resistance line, and from there, if we take a look, there is a gap since Friday close and also a Monday open. So this one is something that has happened on the market, some large impact that has pushed the price over the weekend, and the price is open out above this resistance line. You can see that the price has opened above this resistance line and also the close price of this and also the open price of this candle. So the previous week analysis have mentioned that the price should close above these two candles to be some kind of indication that the price will continue to move up. The price has opened on a Monday above these two candles, and then the price continued to move up. You can see that the price has touched this uptrend. Currently it is acting a trend line as a resistance, so the price has reached this price level and it has stopped right here, which was mentioned in the previous week analysis. If you take a look, if you have not watched it, you can see it in the videos before, and you can see that I have mentioned that the price 1.073 will be possibly reached if the price continues to move up. The price has reached this price. You can see there are 3 weeks in the 3 days, where you can see on Tuesday the price has dropped down back, testing this previous resistance, acting now like as a support. From here, this breakout to the upside has been you can see it confirmed here with this small candle, but the critical level is also here, this one 1.073. So the price could not reach above reaching 1.07825, because this is a confluence of resistance where we currently have, let's stretch this one a little bit more up for the future use. So we have here a confluence of resistance between these two lines. So this strong resistance that has pushed the price down, and you can see it here, when the price has tried to reach higher levels, the price could not reach it from this price level, because this is a selling zone, a supply zone where the sellers are. So the price on a Tuesday has an indication, a candle, which was indication that there is a fight between the sellers and the buyers. The buyers who are pushing the price up from here and also from here, and we have sellers around this price level where the sellers are preventing the price to reach higher levels, 1.08846. On a Tuesday, we can see a strong bearish candle that has pushed the price all the way down up to 1.05825, where the price is closed. But this push down was also reached 1.05087, a lower level. If you take a look in the previous analysis, you can see that I have mentioned this price level and also 1.048, which price did not reach in this case, but this time the price has reached the lowest level in the last 3 weeks. You can see this is the first attempt, then this is the second attempt, and this is the third attempt. You can see also a strong push up from this area where the demand zone is and where the buyers are. You can see that the price candle could not reach the lower level and could not close to this one, but it has returned back up. So the bounce and the retrace has happened from this price level up to 1.05825. On a Tuesday, just a minute, let's put here this one. This one is engulfing. This one is engulfing. Let's just check it is on a daily. Okay. So this is engulfing candle that encompasses all the previous candle. You can see it encompasses also first, second, and also the third one candle. So it is a pretty strong bearish push up, push down. So it has indication that this selling zone here, a supply zone, is very strong. Now then on a Thursday, we can see that the price, just a minute, let's stretch this one down. So we have full downtrend. So this is acting as a confluence of support, because we have this downtrend and we have here a horizontal support. These two support lines is now acting as a confluence of support, so the price has bounced from here to here. On a Thursday we have a small candle, and then on a Friday a little bit larger candle that has closed above, close to 1.06736, and it is above this previous Friday candle. So currently the price is here and the price is open here. So we have a small bearish candle which will be visible on the next time frame, which is a weekly time frame. Let's see what has happened. In the previous week we had this indecision candle that has pushed the price up and then down, so it was bouncing between these two price levels. Then this week we again have indecision candle, but with a larger wicks, with the area stretching up to 1.073 and down to 1.05. So it is 200 pips area where the price is bouncing, but we can see that the prices continue to move the level up. So this week has ended above the previous week. So based on this, we can see that the price is moving up in the last 3 weeks after this strong drop down. Then we have on a monthly time frame, and today is the middle of March, so we can see that after the prices dropped significantly down in the previous month, the price is bouncing back up, retracing, and it has reached this 1.070 and then 1.073 price level. So this was also mentioned in the previous week analysis. So this month has making a retrace, and it has almost reached 1.07825, which is a strong selling zone, which was almost reached, and where the sellers are pushing the price down. So on the monthly time frame, this will be hard to break above. Now let's see what we can expect in the following week, and also based on this to the end of this month. So as it looks like, the price is currently returning back up, and it is reaching every week since the last 3 weeks higher levels. So we could expect that the price will continue to do similar, but this will be much more clearer on a weekly and a daily time frames. You can see that this price this week has closed right here where the first confluence of support and the resistance is. So the next one is here 1.070, and the next one is 1.073. The price has reached with a week these two levels on a monthly time frame, but we will see on the weekly time frame what is happening. But based on this, for the month we can see that it is unclear currently what can happen, because the price is currently between 1.07825 and 1.03920, which are monthly support and resistance level, so it is in between. It is unclear will the price break above or it will go down, but what we can see, it is currently a supply zone here where the sellers are waiting and pushing the price down, and we have here a support where the demand zone is, where the buyers are also pushing the price in their direction. So it is a little bit fight between these two price levels, so we need to wait what will happen on a monthly time frame. But let's go on a weekly time frame and see how the market is behaving. After the dropout last 3 weeks, the price has raised the price, and the price is currently at 1.066. The price is in between weekly support and resistance levels, and that is between 1.07825 and 1.05825. So we have the price bouncing, but what we can see is this area here, which is 1.07 here, and then it is the area here 1.073 before 1.07825. Based on this, what we can see, the price is rising, so the lower levels are still holding, so the support around here, which is a demand zone, is still holding from 1.005 up to 1.058. So the critical level for the price, if the price would like to continue to move down, we need to see the price closing below this area here, 1.063, and then after that the price should close below this one, 1.054, to indicate that the price has strong selling pressure and the demand zone, where the buyers are losing their strength. So until this happens, I'm still waiting until the market defines the trend. Is it a downtrend, or it is still in indecision or uptrend? Currently the market on a weekly time frame is inside indecision area between these two price levels, and I'm looking to see will the price continue to move up, for example above 1.073 to close to 1.07825. If the price continues to move up and closes above, this will indicate that we could expect the price to break out above 1.07825. Now, as it looks, the price is in between, but as it looks, it is moving upwards. If we take a look on a daily time frame, it will be much more clear what we can expect and which levels are critical. For the daily time frame, we can see that this one, 1.073, is a critical one because the price could not close above this price level since February 9. So it is almost 1.5 months has passed, the price could not close above. If this happens and the price closes above, this will be indication that the price will continue up, but until the price closes above 1.07825 and above this confluence of resistance, it will be unclear if the price has managed to break above and make new uptrend. If the price gets back inside this uptrend channel, we can see that the next level will be 1.08846. So the market price again is inside indecision range area, because you can see the price is bouncing between these two price levels, between 1.052 and also between 1.06736. The price cannot find its way outside, but the reasons are this strong confluence of support and this confluence of resistance. So pay attention and wait until the price breaks above or down, which will make clear where the price will move in the future. Will it be uptrend or it will continue in the downtrend? That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!